Welcome to Anna's Crafty Kitchen, where you can eat what you make. As you can see, I've got a heart that has the Italian flag in it because I'm making an Italian dish. It's going to be Italian stuffed bread. I've got this nice looking platter with the following ingredients: bread, mozzarella, Italian prosciutto, tomatoes, basil and garlic, and I've also got olive oil. First, I'm going to prepare the ingredients. These are my ingredients, and the ingredients are the same color as the flag. Now I'm going to prepare the bread. I'm going to cut the top off of it. Scoop out the soft part of the bread and make it look like a pot. Let's put our stuffing in the bread. First, do mozzarella. Then put tomatoes. A bit of basil and garlic. Let's add some prosciutto and then mozzarella. I decided to put a teaspoon of pesto in my bread. Now let's prepare our lid. I'm going to put some garlic on it. Now drizzle both parts with olive oil. I'm going to bake my bread in the oven. This one will take about 10 minutes and this one will take 15 minutes. My bread is ready, so let's put the lid on. Now it's time for the taste test. This is really good. Mamma mia. You've got to try it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked and subscribed. See you next time. Bye. I've got this nice looking platter with the following. These are my ingredients. A bit of basil and wait. Finally, drizzle both parts with olive oil. No! Ciao!